This is the elevator at the Lantern Inn and Suites, Bradenton, Florida. We're gonna go up to 3. Innovation decorator fixtures. It's a nice motor. Here we are at 3. Call station's over here. Also, take a look at this. This was a United States elevator, and it's been innovated. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's your inspection certificate, and here's your cab view. We're gonna go for one more ride. And let's end it back down at 1. You have a GAL interlock up there. Not sure what year this hotel was built. If I find out, I'll put it in the video description. Also, this is a door hold key switch right here. Also, actually, we're gonna send it up to 3. Let's see if we can hear the motor from the outside. It has the same floor indicator on the outside as it does on the inside. Machine room's right here. Can't really hear it as well, but anyway, that'll be it.